the dolphins that are really pink. When we think about dolphins, we visualize elongated animals with gray color, but we never imagine there are pink dolphins. The Amazon River dolphin, also known as Boto, has a characteristic color that distinguishes it from the vast majority of dolphins, and additionally, gives it an unparalleled beauty. It is mostly pink, with some grayish parts. There are 3 subspecies of Amazon River dolphins, and all of them inhabit the fresh waters of the basins of the Amazon and Orinoco rivers, in South America, which includes the countries like Venezuela, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Bolivia, and, of course, Brazil. Lots of trees and aquatic vegetation surround their habitat. Their anatomical characteristics are far from the typical image we have of dolphins, as usually we know oceanic dolphins. Botos are the largest of the 5 species of river dolphins that officially exist. Females have a length up to 2 meters and weigh 150 kilograms, while males are slightly longer and heavier, reaching a length up to 2.4 meters and weight up to 180 kilograms. Instead of the characteristic dorsal fin we see in oceanic dolphins, these cetaceans have a triangular-shaped crest on the back. Also, they have a bulge in the front head with a rounded melon, which gives their body a strange shape. Other unique characteristics of this species are their small eyes and their thin and very elongated muzzle, where they have up to 140 teeth entirely designed for the type of food they find in the river where they live, mainly on 50 different species of fish, and sometimes crabs. These dolphins do not eat massive amounts of food despite their large size, since they consume on average only the 2.5% of their body weight. They are less social than their oceanic relatives, but they can form groups of 2 to 15 members, although large groups are unusual. Unlike oceanic dolphins, they are not fast swimmers, but they are agile to dodge the vegetation of their habitat, as well as to interact and play. The moment they socialize most is during mating. After the onset of sexual maturity, which occurs between 6 and 12 years of age for both genders, courtship and copulation start. After an 11-month gestation, small offspring of about 80 centimeters in length is born who need the care of its mother. The relationship between a female and its offspring is the strongest bond in the life of an Amazon pink dolphin. During 1 year of breastfeeding and protection against predators such as bull sharks, black caimans, anacondas and jaguars, the mother is responsible for teaching her offspring how to defend itself in the future. One negative feature of their reproductive stage is that the interval between births is larger than a year, sometimes up to 3 to 5 years depending on the circumstances, which can be problematic in preservation affairs. The status of conservation of the Amazon pink dolphins is unknown so far, but several threats affect their wild population. These include bycatch, killing by fishers when they are seen as competition, hunting to use as fishing bait, mercury contamination of the water used in mining operations, degradation of their habitat by human constructions, and to a lesser extent their capture for human food.
Follow us in the social networks: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Google+, SoundCloud and others. For more information visit bioexpedition.com.